Hey kids! Today, I'm super excited to tell you all about one of the coolest birds ever, the hummingbird. Did you know these tiny birds are like the superheroes of the bird world? Let's dive in and discover their magic. First up, hummingbirds are really small. Some are just 3 inches long. That's like the size of a crayon. And they weigh less than a penny. Isn't that amazing? Now, here's something mind-blowing. Hummingbirds can flap their wings super fast, up to 80 times per second. That's so fast, their wings make a humming sound. That's actually how they got their name. Can you imagine moving that fast? But wait, there's more. These little guys are the only birds that can fly backwards. Yep, they can hover in one spot, zoom forwards, and even zip backwards. It's like they have their own superpowers. Hummingbirds also have a super long tongue. It's so long it can stretch out twice as far as their beak. They use it to sip yummy nectar from flowers. Nectar is like their special fuel that gives them all the energy to zoom around. And guess what? Hummingbirds come in so many bright, beautiful colors. Some are shiny green, others are sparkly blue, and some even look like they've got a rainbow on their feathers. They're like flying jewels. Here's a fun fact. Hummingbirds have an amazing memory. They can remember every flower they visited and how long it takes for each flower to refill with nectar. Super smart, right? So next time you see a hummingbird, remember just how special they are. They might be tiny, but they're full of surprises and magic. Thanks for joining me today. Keep exploring and discovering new things every day. See you next time, kids. Stay curious and keep learning.